Hi guys, this is Meenakshi. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to see the unboxing and review of Einstein box for the age of kids between 4 to 6 years old. If you want to watch the review of Einstein box for the age of 2 to 3 years old, then link for the same is given above. So as you can see, I have purchased it from Amazon and the buying link is given in the description box. So without delaying, let's open the box and see the product. Here it is in a very nice packaging. You can have a look. This is mentioned on the box that this is for kids of 4 to 6 years old. This is the website address. You can go and check for the available products. The MRP of this is rupees 999, but there was a discount of 40% when I purchased it. Now let's have a look of the things we have got in the box. First we see here is the science experiment book. There are 15 different experiments that can be done using the material, and with the help of this book, this experiment book along with the material provided is interesting and kids will definitely learn something new from it. Of course, this would require parent supervision, but it's lot of fun. Then we have these People of the World flashcards, which is to tell kids about the various countries and continents. So when kids will try to read from them, it will add in their memory and they will learn about new countries. Next we have here are the material required for the experiments. The material is non-toxic and safe for the kids. These packets have everything the kids would need to perform the experiments. Which includes cup, coupe, measuring cylinders, citric acid, baking soda and colors. If you guys want to see how the experiments would be done, then please let me know in the comment section and I will create a separate video of it. The second book here is Atlas of the World, which is to introduce about countries and continents. The stickers are given for the activities like finding animals on the world map or matching photos to icons. The book has lot of information which children can gain from it, but the pictures and text in this book is very small, and because of that parent would need to read it for the kids, and I feel that it should have the little bigger text and pictures so that kids would take more interest and try to read the book by themselves. Then we have this third book, the Book of Spellings, which has simple word activities for the kids. The book is a wipe clean book, which means it can be used multiple times, and yes, you will get a wipe clean pen along with it to write. The book has very basic easy words like 3-letter words, which is good for a 4-year-old who has just started reading, but for a 5+ years old they might already be knowing these words. So I feel that there should be separate kits for 4 to 5 years and then for 5 to 6 years. At the end, we have this spelling puzzle activity in which kids would be finding and joining the 3-letter words, which again I feel is good for a kid who has just started reading. Above 5 years old kids might find it very easy. As for the final review, the quality of the books and the material provided is all very good. The only thing which I feel is there should be two separate kits for 4 to 5 years and for 5 to 6 years. because the kids at this age learn new things every day, and also parents would have an option to choose from as per their requirement. So this was all from my side about this particular box. Einstein.in has other boxes as well for this age group. Let me know if you want to see them as well. Also let me know if you have any questions related to this box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.